walls up first, and then stand that wall. Yeah, that way we got something. Are you gonna run this wall all the way? Yeah. We'll have to break it in half.
Pretty much. I'll probably have to see where I can break it, but barrier is leaving that top coming out. Yeah. Spencer's going to get the key out of the machine. I said, don't fucking worry about it. I already did it. You were fucking late again. Which one do you want to stand first? The little one? Ready?
Yes, sir.
1, 2, 3. Go, go, go.
Ah.
You ready? 1, 2, 3. What a good guy.
Oh shit.
I saw it.
Got that on camera.
I think we need to bring it in a little bit here.
I'll go grab it.
Just a little bit right here needs to come in.
Yeah,
Right here.
That looks all good. That's fucking cool. Ready?
One on the dogs, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Oh. Yeah. Gonna wait on this big one, or are we gonna try it?
We're gonna wait. We'll get the sidewall up till we got something nice.
Oh, okay. If you're wondering why we do this, we split the rim board with our knee wall so that the knee wall ties in and then the first floor wall ties in. want me to start on those interiors then?
Yeah, you got to build them 2 headers, a 2.5 and a 3.5.
2.5 and a 3.5?
You have to go in that long wall right here.
Okay.
Anything this way needs a full header.
Alright.
The other, I got all block seals ready to cut for you.
Alright.
I got your backing blocks cut too, so stick them in when you
Yes, sir. 2.5 and a 3.5.
Ready? On 3. 1, 2, 3.
Ooh, I get to use my tool.
Want to grab your tool and the ladder?
Yep.
All right. Yeah, you can nail that off. They're using these 2x6 up here? No.
3, 2, 1. Of course, my hat falls off.
Damn, now can you use that jump more?
Hey, are the flat boards on the headers only for exteriors?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, I mean,
Because I got this 2x6 wall. I mean, I got to fur the header out anyway,
technically,
Yeah, I wasn't gonna do it.
but it's making it 3 inches bigger.
you'd only need one on the bottom then if you want it for backing.
Right.
Just fur it out. That's what I was gonna do with that one.
Clear a little more.
Throw a hand drive in this. Dude, that's like right on the line though.
Yeah.
I think we're good.
How much you pay for that?
I think it was like 35, 40 bucks.
Not bad. Where'd you get it?
Amazon.
Where?
Amazon. You can't find it anywhere. And I've seen it be used like if you can't get a wall stuck to another wall, you can use it up there.
There we go. Gaps. That'll
Yep.
work.
Why not?
It's gonna be every day now.
I know. Everyone's gonna say, get the board stretcher. Right into the joist.
You can take that LV off.
Oh, to the king stud?
Yeah, that's 3, 5, whatever that is.
Oh, so I gotta cut that Cali too.
No, not Kelly. We're gonna be on this side of it.
Oh, okay.
We're gonna pass
Alright.
it.
Alright.
We're gonna stay on this side of it all the way.
Okay.
Bring your appetite and visit McDonald's Friday.
Fuck. Dude, I've been telling myself we need nails for the past hour, and I was just waiting for a good time to go get them. Ah! Clean. Clean. It's brace time. It's brace time. Okay, so today was our second day of framing walls, and yesterday we started after break anyways, so I think we did pretty damn good today. Basically all the walls are done. It's gonna be an open header, all that's done. There's one wall in there, one interior, and then the front wall, and that's it. And we're waiting on the front wall for where the window goes and where the door goes, so we couldn't really do that. And then here we're waiting on kitchen cabinet specs for a window there, so we couldn't really do that. So kind of after lunch. We braced up this side. That side's not completely braced up. We backed off from wall framing because we were just waiting for the walls and stuff. We wrapped the plywood around. We got a lot of it done on the back. I think the whole back's pretty much done. Yeah. Anyways, tomorrow I think we're gonna frame the garage up and we're gonna do it old school. Usually we build them on the deck, nail them all up, sheet them, and then we lift them with the machine, but we're kind of limited on space and we didn't really have our LVL headers yet, which we should be getting tomorrow. So we'll frame this up, sheet it all, frame the front wall, and if we have time, maybe start setting trusses. I don't know, I'm not completely sure, but hope you guys enjoy. Let me know if you want more. Thanks for watching.